Dear developers, do you want your app to generate continuous revenue? CastarSDK turned your dream into reality. Today, I'll walk you through how to use CastarSDK. Step 1. Steps to apply. Visit the CastarSDK website first. Next, register an account. Then, click Get Started to begin your monetization journey. Lastly, add your app to the applications page and select the operating system after entering its name. Easy as pie. Step 2. SDK integration. Download the SDK to get your unique app key and then integrate it into your project according to documentation. The app key is the key identifier for your app's revenue, so make sure you copy and integrate it correctly. Once these steps are completed, your app will step on its journey of cash rolling in. Besides, the CastarSDK website assists you in data tracking and cash withdrawals effortlessly. On the dashboard page, you can view real-time app data, accurately track daily earnings and total revenue, thereby ensuring complete transparency of every settlement. The billing page provides details of cashable amount and your balances, with payouts reviewed and processed on the first of each month to ensure secure transactions. Revenue analysis helps you monitor daily active users and revenue sources, analyze effective data by region, and optimize your monetization strategy to take your profitability to a new height. Simple steps, easy monetization. Developers, visit the CastarSDK website now and navigate your app monetization journey. Make your app not only fun, but also lucrative.